Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about animal world. Do you like animals? Different kinds of animals we have got in this chapter. Let's see. Wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, birds, insects, water animals. Let's see some wild animals pictures. This is wild animal lion. Lion is the king of the forest. This is giraffe. Giraffe is tallest animal in the forest. This is tiger. These three are called wild animals. Now let's see some domestic animals. Hens, horse, sheep. These are domestic animals. Now let's see some pet animals. Cat. Some of your home there will be cat as a pet animal. Then this is rabbit. Rabbit also can be in your home as a pet animal. And this is a dog. Dog mostly all the houses are having as a pet animal. Now let's know about these three animals difference. Wild animals are living in the forest. We don't keep them in houses, but they are very dangerous. Because of that we see in them in the forest only. So once again I am repeating the names: wild animals, lion, tiger, giraffe, zebra, camel, anything the wild animals can be. Then the tiger is a national animal. Which is the, do you remember the picture of the tiger? This is the tiger. It is a national animal of our country. Then domestic animals, we keep them in our home, but we get from them milk, egg, wool, like that we get from the domestic animals. Now let's once again, now I am repeating once again the names: cows, horses, sheep, hens are called domestic animals, and they live in the farm. We don't keep them in the home, but they live in the farm. Then pet animals are, we keep them in the home and they keep our home safe. As a dog is barking if a thief is coming, our home people are protected if we keep the dogs in our home. Then I am repeating the pet animals names. Dogs, cats and rabbits are called pet animals. So animals also feel pain and we should not hurt them, but we have to be kind to them. Since they can't speak or say I am having pain or I am sick, they can't say it, but it also have a pain or get pains if we hurt them, but so we should not hurt them. So now let's see some birds. Have you seen birds? This is parrot. Some of our house may be parrot in green color, and it's very funny to speak to them. Whatever we repeat, they repeat after us and they talk. It's very nice to be with them. Then this is a crow. It's in black color. It is crow. We see all over the world the crow. Then this is all about the birds, but in the textbook there are crow, parrot, dove, hen. The pictures are there. Then you might be seen in the Google or somewhere the pictures. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It has nice feathers at the back side, and it withers like this, and it is very beautiful to see the peacock. Then let's see some insects. Do you know what is insects? They make us so much fear, and when we see them we scream, and we are frightened to see those insects. This is one of insect, cockroach. When we see cockroach, automatically we get fear and we try to run away from it. Then in the textbook there is a ant or fly, and also there is a insect who can fly like a butterfly. I will show you the picture. It's a butterfly. It is also insect, but it can be fly. Then let's see about water animals. You may be seeing in the cartoons the water animals like octopus, fish, duck, frog, tortoise are called water animals. I will show you some. This is tortoise. It has got the nature that when the sound will be heard, the legs and head will be inside of the shell. This part is called the shell. When the sound will be heard, the head and the legs will be going inside, and it will be like a rock. It's very funny to see them when they are going inside, but they live in the water. Then this is duck. Duck gives egg for us, and they live always in the water. Then this is octopus. We see this octopus in the sea. We don't see in a pool or anywhere, but in the sea only it lives. These are about the animals in the world. Now we are going to see and read the chapter Animal World. In the first page itself, some 8 fill in the blanks is given. So I am just reading: elephant, tiger, giraffe, monkey, lion, camel, zebra, peacock. Because some zoo picture is given here, from there they have given the option as a blank, and we have to fill it. That you have to do in your textbook. Now, there are many animals around us. Some animals are big, some animals are small. Like elephant and lion are big animals, but dog, camel and all small animals. So in the size itself it shows that big animal and small animals. Then kinds of animals. Wild animals. Some animals live in the forest. They are called wild animals. Lions, tigers, giraffe and zebras are some wild animals. Can you write the name of the national animal of India? Tiger. Domestic animals. Some animals live near our house or on a farm. These animals are called domestic animals. They are very useful to us. Cows, horses, sheep and hens are some domestic animals. Pet animals. Some animals live with us in our home. They are called pet animals. Dog, cat and rabbits are some animals that we keep as pets. Birds and fish also make good pets. Animals also feel pain when we hurt them. We should be kind to them. Now here the exercise is given some. Count and write how many children in your class have these pets. So you have to do it at your home. Then about the birds. Birds have wings and colors, feathers. They have got a beautiful, like as I said, the parrot has got green feathers and its mouth, the mouth is called beak. It is in red color. Birds have wings and colorful feathers. Wings and feathers help birds to fly. Birds have 2 legs and 1 beak. They pick food with their beak. Birds make their own homes. They are called nests. Crow, parrot, pigeon and hen are some common birds seen in our surroundings. You can see in the picture the nest. This is called a nest, and the small birds are here. The big bird is here. Since they are small, this big bird will go and search food for them and bring to them, and they themselves make this nest. They don't take anybody's help, but all other animals, we make the house for them, but the birds, they themselves make the house. Can you write the name of national bird of India? As I told you, that is peacock. Insects. Insects are small creatures. Some insects like cockroaches and ants move on land. Some insects like housefly and butterfly have wings to fly. Birds like pigeon and ostrich are heavy in weight. They cannot fly, but they are also called birds. Water animals. Animals that live in water are called water animals or aquatic animals. Fish and octopus are water animals that live in water. Some animals can live both on land and in water. That is called frog and tortoise. Pictures of such animals are given below. Can you name them? First one is frog, next one is tortoise. Do not throw waste materials in rivers. Many water animals die due to dirty water. Keep rivers clean and save water animals. So let's be careful about that, not to throw the waste in the rivers or the lake, wherever the water is collected. Animals are like us. They need food and water to live and grow. They need love and care. We should be kind to them. Never tease them. Take your pet to a doctor if it falls sick. Now this exercise number B you can do at your home. From this column you can take the name of the wild animals and pet animals and fill these columns. Then the first one I will tell you, dash and dash help birds to fly. Wings and feathers. Animals which live in water are called dash animals. It's called water animals. Birds make their own homes called dash nests. Dash animals live on a farm, domestic. And this, let's see the exercise number C. Animal which live in water called octopus. In these 3 options, octopus lives in water. Animal which can live both on land and in water, tortoise. Dash is a pet animal, dog. Dash is a big animal, elephant. Animals which live in forest are wild animals. The rest will be given as a homework later. Thank you.